Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Messer along with Jim Stanovic. Let's get you some stocks on the move in the house. Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. CVS, definitely on the move today.
It's up by more than 3%. So the company raised its full year forecast and said earnings would rise in 2026. So this gives investors hope as the company navigates two things. That's how you can think of it. Number one, a tough retail environment. And number two, government scrutiny across the healthcare industry. I mean, we know that a lot of really bad things happened in that industry this year. Adjusted earnings would be as much as $7.20 per share in 2026. And recall that CVS also brought in a new CEO last year and has so far performed really well, with shares rising more than 70% through Monday's close. So this was interesting to me because you always hear anecdotes of how when you go to not only CVS, but any drugstore, and it's not that pleasant of an experience.
Everything's locked up.
Yes. And I feel like when I call someone, I'm almost like, I'm so sorry, sir. Can I just please get vitamin C? And have to read what I'm going to get so that I can just point and not waste his time. But I mean,
can I just get deodorant? But it's expensive. I totally get why it's locked up.
CVS is one of the executives from CVS's cybersecurity unit. They don't remember if it was the CTO was on stage yesterday at this Bloomberg Live event.
Yeah.
And he made the point that CVS is like the last remaining publicly traded large pharmacy company, which got me thinking you're right. The
what
other
about
one's
Walgreens?
I believe that's the private equity one.
Oh. Yes, they were recently brought.
Yeah.
Oh, they were. That's right.
So it's interesting. That's the world that we live in now. And look, and they're a huge insurer as well.
Yes. And its profit from their pharmacy segment that's projected to grow 1%. So, I mean, I guess everyone needs medicine. You can't not need it.
I'm amazed. That stock's up 76% year to date. Yeah.
Sycamore Partners is the owner of Walgreens.
I forgot that they were. That was late August, right? Yeah. Wasn't it?
I don't know the exact date.
Yeah, I think it was. All right, let's get to, where do you want to go next?
Carvana. Ticker is CVNA. Stock is higher by 1.5%. It really just rallied after the S&P said that they will be joining the index by the open of December 22, 2025. So now we're seeing the company stock on track to extend gains for an 11th consecutive session. That's matching a record rally nearly 6 years ago. And Bank of America raised their price target after the inclusion announcement. So as we know, I mean, passive investing is just becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, if you have a 401k, you have no doubt an S&P or some variation. And this means that you will automatically have Carvana.
It's like a winning ticket, right? Because
yes.
It's just those guys, all those managers, index fund managers who track the S&P have to buy it up.
Yes, and as of the last close, the stock has more than doubled this year. So maybe we'll see it really go even higher. I mean, Bank of America increased their price target to $455 from $385, saying that the growth trend will just likely be well above average. So good news for Carvana. I feel like I always hear their ad.
Do you have any decliners today?
Sorry, Kara laughed at my joke and that made my day. No, my last stock is also in the green. It's actually up 10%.
Deal? What's the deal? On a day where the market's barely moving, you come up with these big stocks in the green, forgetting that it's my job also to figure out some stocks that are moving lower.
I choose to see the bright side.
He's looking for Christmas. He was looking for a name from you. That's basically what it comes down to.
There's a few decliners today.
But Ares also going to be included in the S&P 500, right?
Yes, and this was a surprise announcement. So the S&P, they have a quarterly rebalance, but sometimes things happen. And so they announced this out of schedule, and it will be included in the S&P before trading opens on December 11th. So also, it's good news, and Ares, like others, have been thrust in the headlines recently, as we know, with the credit market. But their CEO is saying that the collapses we've seen with like First Trust and all that isn't really impacting the market so far. As always, private credit chiefs have been mostly positive when it comes to their asset class. But I don't know, it still remains to be seen. It's a $1.7 trillion direct lending industry, which is ginormous. So there is that. But good news for Ares, up by almost 10%.
Yeah, really some big moves there. I actually think I have that in my gainers list.
Well, look at you.
I'm glad
that Isabel
and you'll have it in your 401k also.
My 401k.
After December 11th.
Surprise, full transparency. We'll all be owners.
No, Carol's full crypto in her 401k.
Yeah,
she's
I'm
gone
totally
full.
Amazing.
Yeah, she's gone full.
I'm still trying.
I love that.
Bitcoin ETF.
I'm still trying to figure out what it is.
Sorry.
Just saying.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.